Have you ever wondered about the journey of allspice from plant to your plate? Let's step back in time to the Caribbean, where Christopher Columbus first discovered this intriguing spice. It was the flavor, a unique blend reminiscent of cinnamon, nutmeg, and cloves, that led to its name, allspice. From there, allspice traveled across the sea to Europe, introducing this new, exotic taste to a whole new world. So that's how allspice began its flavorful journey, but how does it end up on our plates? Allspice, like many spices, undergoes a fascinating transformation from plant to plate. Our journey begins in the tropical climates of countries like Jamaica, Guatemala, and Mexico, where the pimenta dioica, or allspice tree, flourishes. The tree bears clusters of berries that are hand-picked while still unripe and green. These berries are then spread out and left to dry under the sun for several days. The heat of the sun works its magic, turning the berries a reddish-brown color and coaxing out their unique aroma and flavor. Once dried, the berries are taken to grinding mills where they're transformed into the fragrant, versatile spice we're familiar with. This spice, with its complex bouquet of flavors reminiscent of cinnamon, nutmeg, and cloves, is then ready to add depth and warmth to a myriad of dishes. Now that we know how allspice is made, let's explore its culinary uses. Allspice is a versatile spice that can elevate both sweet and savory dishes. This little dynamo of flavor isn't shy about making its presence known in a variety of recipes. Picture Jamaican jerk chicken, its succulent, spicy, and smoky notes largely attributed to allspice. Or consider a hearty Middle Eastern stew, where allspice adds a warm, aromatic depth. And let's not forget the realm of desserts. From spiced cookies to fruit pies, allspice brings a unique blend of cinnamon, nutmeg, and cloves to the table. It's that little dash of magic that makes your taste buds dance and your nose twitch with delight. The culinary versatility of allspice is impressive, but did you know it also offers numerous health benefits? Beyond its culinary uses, allspice is packed with health benefits. This versatile spice is an antioxidant powerhouse, helping to protect our cells from the damage caused by free radicals. It houses anti-inflammatory compounds, potentially reducing inflammation in the body. Plus, its compounds can aid digestion, helping to lessen bloating and alleviate indigestion. Allspice may also contribute to heart health by lowering blood pressure. It has been traditionally used for pain relief, tackling muscle aches and toothaches. It even carries antimicrobial properties, fighting against harmful bacteria. The warm, comforting aroma of allspice is known to boost mood, and the minerals it contains, like calcium and magnesium, are crucial for strong, healthy bones. As we've seen, allspice is not only a flavorful addition to your dishes, but also a beneficial one to your health.